think probably my highlight of the week has been both getting to walk around the city and see the Real Alcazar, but also making paella on the rooftop and then having a flamenco lesson.
Hi, I'm Joe.
I'm Tom.
What brought us here in Seville is we've been to Uzes twice and loved it. All the food is a highlight every day.
My third time as a non-participating guest.
Cooking portion of this was amazing. Chef Sam is incredible, and it was very, very hands-on. So if you're the type of cook that likes to get their fingers and hands dirty, this is for you.
One of the most fun parts was this beautiful accommodation we had. It was a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom building. And the group was so nice. We would eat and drink together and then sit in our living room, have a glass of wine. It was so well placed.